you guys to sit back and watch this. Alright. I've got some more ingredients I might use in it too. So, this is the blender I'm gonna use. Alright. So, Esther Delicious, we got Craig, we got big up every one of you guys. We got lemon. I'm gonna use up my lemon. And we got some ginger. This is the naughty blender I'm using. So here it is. Ginger. So I have the only thing, guys, I got some leftover pineapple. I'm gonna put it inside of it. Alright, these are my leftover pineapple from another show which I was doing. I said, I'm gonna just use them up on them instead of saving them. Yeah. So we've got a lot of ginger in it. Alright, so we got ginger, pineapple inside of it, and lemon. We're gonna put more lemon inside of it. That's the lemon. Excellent. All right. We got some turmeric. We're gonna be using some turmeric. Carmen, bless up yourself, man. What's going on? Yeah, man. Nice to see you. And Esther Delicious, Craig, big up on yourself, and all of the rest of people. Them who say hello, Kim. I am John. Join the membership. Video are very informational. Chef, big up yourself. All right. So we're going to be doing some turmeric. All right. So these are the turmeric I'm going to use inside of it. Jenny, big up yourself every time. All right, guys. Just to make you guys know that the book is ready. Get on a copy. All right. Yeah. So these are the turmeric. I'm using it. I'm using a portion of turmeric. Oh, this is gonna be yellow, man. But it's gonna strong, and that's what I need. I'm using the skin of it also. Alright. You do not want to use too much water, roughly about a couple of tablespoons of water inside of it. Not too much, just to free up the blender a little bit. Yeah, all right. So we're going to make some nice and blend up this. All right, guys, this is powerful, you know, man. This is not a normal thing. In the meantime, somebody need to order a copy. All right, order a copy of the book. In the meantime, all right, guys. Yeah, order a copy of the book. In the meantime, I'm blending. Okay. All right. Did you get your copy already, guys? Let me know. Okay. Yeah, man. Now, the book is out. Heroes. Thank you so much for coming on the show. I appreciate it. The book is available, guys. Go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, or you can go to Amazon and get your copy. All right? Get your copy of the book. This is a very powerful book. I never did this before, and I just think I'm led by the Lord to do it. And sometimes, you know, the Lord is speaking to you. You have to step back and listen. Okay? And that's why I did this book. All right? Heroes, big up yourself. All right? You can get it on Amazon for pre-order at the moment. Pre-order. Pre-order your copy. Okay? You know, sometimes God is speaking to many people, but they're not listening. So when I did this book, I think God was speaking to me and I did it. All right, I stepped back and I listened and I said, you know what? I'm going to do the book. Sometimes you have to take some time and listen. Very important. You know what I mean? Not everyone going to be listening. Some people will be listening and some people not going to listen. I'm getting my pre-order today. Big up yourself. So, yeah, man. Get your copy. Pre-order it on Amazon. Go to Amazon and type it in. All right? So, you know what this said? All right? I'm not going to even, you guys can look for it on yourself. Here it is right there. Pre-order your copy, guys. All right? The message is that God is speaking to us sometime and we're not listening. A serious thing. Every human being on this earth got two voices. One is still, one is rough. And you have to take some time and listen. Very important. The word listen. Okay? Now, so here it is. Get your copy of the book. All right? Now let's get the drinks up and running. So this is how we're gonna strain off the juice. Yeah. All right, we're gonna strain it off right here. All right, we're gonna pour it out like this. Right. It may seem weird because it's a drink, but remember, this come like when you're at home and you're eating and drinking on a regular basis. But this is different. This is a drink which is gonna help you with your information. All right, powerful drink, guys. This, you don't have to pour it away. Use it and make teas. Look at that. See, this is powerful to make teas, all right, guys? So if you make this, do not pour away this bit. All right? Lady J, big up yourself. Alright guys, look at that. See? There's more can come out of it, but as I say, we're not rush it right now. We have to take our time. I'm gonna put this right here. Alright. And this is how it look. Now what you wanna do, you wanna get the, you can use black pepper, or you can use cayenne pepper. I like my cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna just use my knife and just take up a portion like this. And just put it in it. And let's give it a mix. Very good for the immune system. If not, use your black pepper and crack some pepper inside of it. Alright. Give it a mix. Simple. Doesn't complicate it. How you take this? I'll show you. Alright. I need this to pour out because I don't want it to stain up my board, so I have to be careful. Here it is. So my beautiful people, this is like the shot glass what you need to have at home. They sell them in the supermarket. You can get it to buy in the supermarket, guys. All right. Hello, chef. Hey, Lady D. Johnson. Big up yourself. This one, very good to use at home. All right, let's do a little bit of thing right here. Hopefully it work the way we want it to work. Pour it out. All right. Now you can take 2 of this medicine 2 times a day or 3 times a day. Like this, right here. Well, Lee, big up yourself. All right, here it is. 2 times for the day is very, very good. All right, guys. And this is a powerful, powerful drink. Hey, chef, what's this you're making? Okay, so this is just like a very powerful drink for inflammation, good for sore throat, good for pain and joint pain and all them stuff. They're good for the gut. It's turmeric, ginger, lemon, and cayenne pepper, and some pineapple. All right? Yeah, man. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take one from this. Very good. Here it is. Yeah, man. Here's the Wagwan. Big up yourself every time. This is a powerful one, guys. Wow. I can feel it in my... Yeah, man. What's the benefit? As I said, you can Google what's the benefit of turmeric, if you don't mind. Thank you so much. You can also Google the benefit of pineapple, ginger, and lemon. So I'm saying this can help you with your cholesterol level, inflammation, and also turmeric And ginger works really well. Good for, like, you know what I mean, minor, you know what I mean, pain in your joint and all them stuff there. Very, very good. Got help to slow down inflammation. Yeah, but I think I may just take another one. It's really nice, guys, honestly. So I'm gonna take another one. Yeah, man. This is amazing. I love it. Wow. That is amazing. That is beautiful. Really beautiful. That is amazing.